Barton Boys gonna make up some gingerbread men this year instead of houses. Let's see how it's gonna go.
Where's my icing,
Ezra, you
Mom?
already got some buttons on there, don't you?
Oh, here it is.
With your gumdrops? We kept some leftover Halloween candy so you can do stuff too, didn't we, Titus?
That's what I'm using right now for the eyes. Green gobstoppers.
Take a look here. Ooh, Ezra, you using that frosting to glue your buttons on?
Yep.
That would be a yep, right, Ezra?
Yep.
Let's see what Titus got going on. All right, got some leftover gobstoppers from Halloween.
Come on. Where's the orange Skittle?
There you go. That's another way to use your leftover Halloween candy or save some back so you can use it on your gingerbread man or your gingerbread houses.
Come on, I need to find an orange Skittle.
All right, we'll come back in a couple of minutes and see how they're doing. Titus, you ready for a check-in?
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm gonna come around the side of the table first.
What are you gonna put on his feet?
Ooh, that's looking good, Ezra. What is that? Some pink underpants? Is that pink underpants?
Don't
Use your words.
use your
No, it's not pink underpants.
What is it?
Shorts.
Shorts.
Sure. Okay.
Okay, I like
What
that.
about that on top? Is this some? Are those some eyebrows?
It looks
Yes.
like a unibrow.
What are they made out of?
Licorice.
Licorice.
I mean
Twizzlers?
that's Twizzlers. Sorry.
They're gonna be some tasty eyebrows.
Where can we put sprinkles, you think?
I think I have an idea.
Let's get around here and check on Titus's.
So you need to frost the area first.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
What you got on them
Your
boots?
area.
Got some frosting and some purple nerds.
Yes, and I also got a half of oh yeah,
What do you got
it's
there?
sweet tarts.
Sweet tarts.
Repurposing Halloween
Cut in
candy.
half, kind of red and white for the boot toppers, huh?
I'm trying to
Oh
make
yeah,
an
there you
eyebrow.
go. I told you you could switch that hot chocolate around to do hair or eyebrows
You
or.
mean Tootsie Roll?
Oh, what did I say?
Hot chocolate.
Yeah, I
Hot
used to
chocolate.
hot
I keep
chocolate.
saying that. Tootsie Roll, yeah. Because I'm drinking the hot chocolate.
Yeah, and
Watching y'all.
I don't have to put any icing on
Do you
it
wanna
to get it
spread
to
that?
stay on because the Tootsie
Yeah.
Roll's so sticky.
Yeah.
That's right.
Spread it all through here.
And if you want it to move a little bit, you just use your fingers and
Oh yeah. And the sprinkles
you
are.
spread it out.
Y'all got them looking good, boys. I'm glad we did the men this year instead of the houses.
Yeah.
You know, it's hard for me trying to keep up to eat all of it. You're doing a good job, Ezra, Titus. All right, we'll check back in a little while. See how the gingerbread men are going.
You know what, Izzy? If you want to, you
Guys, check out
can-
the face,
can
Mom.
pour some in
Okay.
my hand, and then you can just. There you go.
Sprinkle it over the
Sprinkle it
frosting.
over.
Let it set in.
This is
That
so
looks
funny.
cool. Your eyebrows are awesome.
Let's get a sneak peek back in at his eyebrows. Oh yeah. My man got some purple teeth, green eyes, and some awesome eyebrows. Oh, is that his tongue?
Oh no,
That little piece of peppermint?
that's it. A little beard.
Oh.
Oh, that.
Like a
kind of
little
what are you
Colonel
gonna do with
Sanders
his
Kentucky
hands?
Fried Chicken beard, huh?
Yeah.
Time to check back in on the gingerbread man. Maybe look and see what Titus got.
Mine.
Titus, it looks like he's got a pair of suspenders.
Yeah, look, I think it's almost done. Maybe one little touch.
A pair of suspenders and some big bushy eyebrows, kind of like Papa.
So I think this is it.
You think this is it? Man, I wish we did some gingerbread man when I was a kid. I think I would have did the trick. I would have frosted the whole gingerbread man and tried to get as much candy as I could to stick to it. That way I'd be able to eat it all later.
I tried really hard to get it.
That's looking pretty good there, Ezra. I'm kind of wondering about those lollipops you got on there. Did you just stick them on there so you can eat them later?
I just put them on to make him look like he had a shirt.
Okay, a shirt. All right.
Oh yeah, the border.
I get that.
Yeah, okay. Works.
Oh, it's done.
Ooh, you got some big old.
Eyebrows.
That's right. That's right. We talked about it, didn't we? The Twizzlers.
And what's that right there, Ezzy? I don't know. Dynamite? Yeah. And I'm pretty sure it's sweet tart. Yeah, I cut mine open in half so you can see the white, the red.
Yeah, you did, didn't you? Right
And I
on top of the
used a
boots.
Tootsie Roll for the belt and for the eyebrows.
That's right, because you can mold that Tootsie Roll. You could have gave him some hair or smushed it out and made anything with that Tootsie Roll, and that's good.
Yeah.
Those and that little bit of like soft fruit taffy kind of candy y'all got on Halloween, those work good too.
Or like a Starburst, sort of.
Yeah, like a soft one after you mush it around a little bit.
That was so good. I love
What
it.
kind of Christmas music do we have, Titus? Is that pentatonics?
that while you were gone. Yes.
Christmas music?
Can I have a pentatonic Christmas? That's what it's called.
Yeah, some good music. Ezra, you gonna be able to wait till it dries before you eat a piece?
I kind of want a piece now.
I'm gonna eat lunch though.
Do lunch.
Oh,
Yes, I already try to eat as much as candy as you can right now. I'm joking.
Well, hopefully from our video, maybe some other people will get some good ideas on how to do their gingerbread house or gingerbread man.
Yep, you can try to tell us some of your good ideas.
That's right.
And put in 100 thumbs up, okay? Okay.